One of my latest builds is a mag drill press. Took my portable mag drill, made me a drill press assembly for it. So this whole deck here, this crank runs this deck up and down all the way against the bottom of this. These are 5/8 holes, allow me for clamping. Let me go around it because I have to make space in my shop for this thing. Heavy steel base so this thing doesn't wiggle or move around on me. Stock clamps. I'll clamp my head into place so I can get it really tight. Beaver mag drill. Hopefully this gives somebody some ideas to do with their portable mag drill.